Hello, fellas. Today we are going to react to one of the comedy routines, that is Mumbai locals and dating apps. Ramya Ramapriya, and it has around 2 million views. Right. It has 138,000 upwards and 5.8 thousand downwards. So I guess it's good enough. Like, it was released on May 5th, 2020, and it has around 2.2 million views. So I guess it's going to be good. But before that, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any update from me. Also, if you want to connect with me on Instagram or Twitter, the links are given in the description below. If you want to connect with me or suggest me or give me any feedback about any of the goddamn things you like about my videos or my reactions, or you don't like about it, I understand. Now, without further ado, let's start.
So I ended up downloading a dating app. I didn't download Tinder because that was too mainstream, right? And I'm an artist. So I downloaded Hinge, okay? So I'm from Bangalore, right? As you might know, I'm from Bangalore. And I've recently moved to Bombay because this is the La La land of India, right? One thing I've noticed about Bombay is people of Bombay get really excited when someone outside the city moves to the city, right? They're like, oh my god, how do you find Bombay? Tell me, no? How is Bombay? Tell me, no? How is Bombay? I'm like, it's the same as Bangalore. But the desire to kill myself is more here. One more thing I've noticed about the city is Mumbai locals, right? They have unwritten rules. And people get mad at you if you don't know them. Like, I was entering the local and one lady was like, किधर उतरने का है? I said, अंधेरी. तो पहले बोलने का था ना, उधर जाके खड़ी हो. I was like, कब पहले?
True. So true. Right.
As soon as I enter the compartment पहले, or while I'm buying the ticket पहले, or as soon as I wake up in the morning, I'm like, अंधेरी, 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 अंधेरी. Is that how meet cutes happen in Bombay? Andheri, 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 andheri. And that, kids, is how I met.
Oh, nice.
I consider myself an amazing ex-girlfriend, the OTP sending kinds. So I ended up downloading a dating app. I didn't download Tinder because that was too mainstream, right? And I'm an artist. So I downloaded Hinge, okay? And I love Hinge, okay, I'll tell you. For those of you who don't know what Hinge is, it's a dating app where you upload 6 pictures and then there's a predetermined set of questions, out of which you choose 3 and you answer them yourself. And I really like spending time on Hinge because I love reading those answers. Because it tells me how dumb people are, right?
Oh God.
Because you guys have nailed the photo game, okay? Like, every guy has a photo staring into a black hole with the puppy, with the mic, with the bike, with the guitar, with the tampon. Everything is done, right? But you know what Hinge has? It has conversation starters.
Okay.
And you know what Indians are bad at?
Yes.
Starting
Yes.
a conversation. That's why the answers are hilarious, okay? I was going through this app and I found a profile who had selected a question, what are your simple pleasures in life? And he wrote, my simple pleasures in life is watching sea turtles get back into the ocean. I was like, dude, if your simple pleasure is so complicated, I don't want to be in a relationship with you, man. Usually a simple pleasure is a coffee and a book, right? Like, if you're having a bad day, I can throw it on your face and be like, come back an hour later, right? But now if this guy is having a bad day, I have to fucking find a sea turtle in the ocean, send it. Your simple pleasure. Dude, relax. It's Hinge, not Shaadi.com. That's too much effort for sex, dude. There was another profile where the guy had chosen the question, what are your hobbies? And he wrote, my hobbies are skydiving, full stop. The full stop bothered me. It was like carom, cricket, skydiving. I'm like, oh, adventurous, you know. Let me give it a shot. No, skydiving, full stop. In India? Dude, if your hobby is skydiving in India, it means you're suicidal and indecisive at the same time. There was another profile where the guy had chosen a question, what are you looking forward to in a partner? And he wrote, I'm looking forward for long, soulful conversations. And the spelling of conversation. I was like, you chose the questions. You had Google. And you're on Hinge, so you have time. It's like the question paper was leaked and you still failed. This is highly unacceptable. I don't know, man. I think the universe doesn't want me to.
Oh.
My mom also. More of the universe. I was talking to my friend the other day. We were sharing, okay. And he was like, hey, you know what, Ramya? The first time when I went to buy condoms, right, it was a very embarrassing moment for me, man. My whole life. It's very embarrassing. And all the guys agreed at the table. Like, very. I was like, you know what's more embarrassing to buy though? An eye pill? Because when you're buying condoms, you're still hopeful, right? But when you go to buy an eye pill, the deed is done, dude. The cat's out of the bag. That's the most hopeless you've been in your entire life. But people judge you, man. Dude, why is it that no matter where you buy an eye pill, it always feels like you're buying one from your dad? So much judgment, dude. But you know what women do? What we do? We send in our best friends. Okay? So that they can go with an authentic, not me.
Right.
No amount of judgment, not me. Not me. Or we have to get dressed like a married woman, you know? Like where salwar kameez, sindoor, mangal sutra, get one beggar kid from the street. Bhaiya ye nahi chahiye, eye pill chahiye.
Wow. That was a great one.
Five-star bache ke liye. Yeah, man. I don't know why we get judged though, because technically when you think about it, we did a favor for the guy last night, right? Why are we getting judged, man? It's like I helped a blind guy cross the street, but I came under the bus. Not fair. See, eye pill is so expensive, right? I feel like it should come with its own care package, you know? To soften the blow of the judgment. You know, like scented candles, face masks, chocolates, flowers, and a Hallmark card. You know? That says, ma'am, you're a very considerate person, but next time say no.
Oh.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Ramya Ramapriya. Oh shit, my 15 seconds are up. Okay, stay safe and stay sane. And remember, do not die. Because if you do, then there's nobody to come for my shows. Oh shit. Sharing is sharing, guys. Remember to share. Bye.
She got a very low-key audience, I can say, who like only few people were able to understand the level of jokes she was cracking. Really great type of jokes. I would like really want to see more. You don't get such jokes and just such level of jokes. I mean, it was really nice. The people who were able to understand these jokes have a really high level of IQ, and I was like absolutely fantastic that I saw this video. I mean, like, it's really nice. I have never heard about Hinge app actually. I have seen other apps. This local thing which she shared was absolutely on point. Okay, I mean, when you go to Andheri, she has to say that I'm going to Andheri every time she, like, you know, from the time she gets up, from the time she gets the ticket, from time it's necessary for the people who always travel to like any destination in local train, they might know what are the unwritten rules that we have to follow every day of our lives whenever we get inside the train. And no matter how much we do, there is always one fight where we have to witness it whenever we go inside the train. It's by far, I have never experienced a day in a life where like there is no fight at all whenever I'm traveling in the local train from my destination to the destination I want to travel. So it's one of the most unwritten rules of local train which is needed to be followed by each and every person who boards the local train, and he should know by what so means ever. But if you don't, people start to judge you and see at you making such bad faces that you have committed a great crime. That is absolutely true, on point. I wanted her to go more on that topic, but I understand that she was from Bangalore, so she might not be knowing a lot of the stuff, but like it's okay, she might know it the more she travels in the local train. And when she started about the dating app thing, I know it because I am a very bad person at starting any conversation, and when it comes to that, I'm just hi, hello, what's up, how's you, and it's like most pathetic questions ever. I cannot woo a girl, I cannot start a smooth conversation so that I can get a girl within a second. So like nah, it's not my cup of tea. I can just I'm like straightforward, yes or no, and that's it, over. And mostly I get no. So anyway, and also what she said about the conversation thing, about the spelling mistake. Yeah, that happens to me. I'm very bad at grammatical and spelling mistakes. I always do that no matter what. I mean, I rechecked it again and again and again, but still I have some or the other spelling mistakes which I have when I upload the status or something like that. And every time some or the other person comes to me and DMs me or like in the WhatsApp messages me, they're like, dude, the message, the answer, and I'm like, why does it happen to me? I double checked it, I triple checked it, still it happens, and again and again and again. Of course. So that was about it, and I really liked her. Her routine was absolutely great, and I would really liked it, the way she has presented all the things, all the stuff, all the content she presented to us. I really wanted to do more of it because it's some kind of a mature content that I am looking forward to it, not just any like bullshit nonsense again which we come across in day-to-day lives, because it's a routine thing. We want something new, we want something to laugh about, we can relate to. Same point of time, we want something fresh. So this was something which I am really looking forward to it, and I'm really thankful to Ramya Ramapriya for like coming to Mumbai, experiencing this, and giving it in a content, in a really mature content. I was really thankful about it, and it's really nice when I really want to do more of your content. And this was the reaction, and I would like to request you please subscribe to the channel, the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also, Instagram and Twitter links are given in the description below if you ever want to connect with me, or you want to give any feedbacks or suggest me something. I would love to do it. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, so I can know how you feel about my reaction. I would love to like. So this was it. Until the next reaction, until the next video and the next review, stay connected.